For over a decade, the smartphone has been the center of everything. Communication, entertainment, work, navigation, payments. It all flows through this one device in your pocket. It's become so essential that it's hard to imagine anything replacing it. But here's the surprising reality. Some of the biggest companies in the world are actively working on exactly that. And the device that could replace your phone completely doesn't look like a better phone. In fact, it might not even look like a phone at all. Because the next big device isn't about adding more features to what you already have. It's about removing the need to pull something out of your pocket in the first place. At the center of this shift is a simple idea. The smartphone is powerful, but it's also interruptive. Every time you use it, you stop what you're doing. You look down, unlock it, open apps, and navigate through interfaces. It demands your full attention, even for simple tasks. And as technology becomes more integrated into daily life, that model starts to feel inefficient. So instead of improving the phone, companies are asking a different question. What if you didn't need to use a phone at all? This is where the concept of a new kind of device begins to take shape. Not a single gadget, but a category. A device that's always available, always aware, and doesn't rely on traditional apps or screens. Something that can understand your intent, access your data, and take action, without forcing you to interact with it the way you do with a smartphone. And the closest thing we have to that vision today is wearable AI-powered devices. Think about smart glasses. For years, they've been treated as experimental or niche. But now, they're being reimagined as potential replacements for smartphones. Instead of looking down at a screen, information appears directly in your field of view. Directions, messages, notifications, they're all right in front of you, integrated into your environment. You don't open an app. You just see what you need. At the same time, voice-first AI devices are evolving quickly. Instead of tapping through menus, you speak naturally. You ask for directions, send messages, manage tasks, and get answers, all through conversation. And with advances in AI, these systems are becoming far better at understanding context, handling complex requests, and acting across multiple services. That combination, visual overlays and conversational control, is powerful. Because it removes friction. You don't need to think about how to use the device. You just use it. And that's the key difference between smartphones and what could replace them. Smartphones are tools you operate. This new category of devices is something that operates with you. But there's more to it than just convenience. The smartphone is built around apps. Every function is tied to a specific piece of software. But the next generation of devices is being designed around AI as the central interface. Instead of opening different apps, you interact with a single intelligent system that handles everything in the background. You say what you want, and it figures out how to do it. That shift alone could make the traditional phone feel outdated. Because once you no longer need apps, the entire structure of the smartphone starts to lose its purpose. The home screen, the app grid, the constant switching between interfaces, all of it becomes unnecessary. And if that happens, the phone becomes less essential. But replacing the smartphone isn't easy. It's not just about building a new device. It's about matching everything the phone can already do, and then doing it better. Communication, media, payments, navigation, security, all of these need to be handled seamlessly. And they need to work in a way that feels natural, not forced. That's why this transition is happening slowly. Right now, smartphones are still the hub. Wearables and AI devices are companions. They extend what the phone can do rather than replace it. But that balance is starting to shift. As AI becomes more capable, more tasks can be handled without direct interaction. As wearables become more powerful, more functionality moves away from the phone. As ecosystems become more integrated, the need for a central device starts to decrease. And over time, that could lead to a tipping point. A moment where the phone is no longer the primary device, but just one of many access points, or even something you don't need at all. There's also a deeper reason why companies are pushing in this direction. Control. The smartphone market is mature. Growth has slowed. Most people already have one, and upgrades are becoming less exciting. To create the next wave of growth, companies need something new, a new category, a new platform. And if they can build the device that replaces the phone, they don't just sell a product. They redefine the entire ecosystem. That's why Apple is exploring wearables beyond the Apple Watch. why Meta is investing heavily in smart glasses, why companies are experimenting with AI pins, voice devices, and ambient computing. They're all trying to find the same thing: the post-smartphone device. But here's the catch. The device that replaces your phone might not replace it all at once. Just like smartphones didn't immediately replace computers, this new category will likely start by handling specific tasks: messaging, navigation, quick queries, things that benefit most from speed and convenience. Then, gradually, it will take on more. And as it does, your reliance on your phone will decrease, until one day you realize you haven't needed it in a while. That's how these transitions happen. Not with a single breakthrough, but with a gradual shift in behavior. So when people imagine the future, they often look for a single revolutionary device. But the reality is more subtle. The device that could replace your phone completely isn't just a better gadget. It's a different way of interacting with technology. One that's always there, always aware, and doesn't demand your attention in the same way. And if that vision fully becomes reality, the smartphone won't disappear overnight. It will simply become unnecessary.